Hello and welcome back to another video about Bitcoin. So we've seen a lot of volatility in the market, especially for Bitcoin. I don't know if it was due to the news about Binance or whatever it was. We have seen a huge um, candle for yesterday, like 5% decrease and now we are going up again. So in the previous videos, if you followed my channel, I've talked about the possibilities that we are on the fifth wave to the upside, unless I told you several times, I emphasized in my videos that unless we don't lose the low of the wave high, the low of the wave 4 here at $25,790 roughly, which we did here. But the main point that I was focusing was we are not allowed to go beyond the wave 1, okay, which we haven't done yet. But due to the news and everything, I want to discuss another possibilities with you. I will move to the 1 hour chart in a moment, but before that, if again we don't lose this high of the wave 1 at roughly about $25,200, still we may go up if nothing new happens in the news, you know. So, and the target for the wave 5 is about 35K. But let me also share with you the other alternative uh, possibility that might happen. Let me clean up my chart for you. So another possibility is that uh, from, let me remove this. Okay, from April, we have started a WXY correction for Bitcoin. Okay, and I'm not going to go in details for this video. I'm going to keep it short. I'm sure that everyone want to know about the current situation and scenario. So I just discussed the bullish scenario. This is the bearish one, okay? So we went down for the wave WX, and now we are in the wave Y. And in the wave Y, we can see either an A, B, C, or another WXY. Okay, so let me remove this. So for now, what I'm seeing here is that in the wave Y, if we consider it an ABC, which is my favorite one for now, we went down for the wave A, we went up for the wave B, and now we are completing the wave C, which will complete the wave Y at the end. Okay, so let us see where we are. And also for the wave C, I am considering a 5 subwaves. Okay, so if that's the case, maybe this was the wave 1. We went back up for the wave 2, and we yet to see a third and a fourth and a fifth wave, which will complete the wave C and also the bigger wave Y. Okay, and if that's the case, I know it happens so quickly, but this is most of the time. The nature of the wave C, if it is in fact 5 waves, it is kind of impulsive, okay? So if that's the case, we can check that we went down in let me first remove this. The sub wave for the wave 1, because each impulse wave, either it's the wave 1, 3, or 5, needs to be uh, consisted of 5 subwaves, okay? So we can say this is wave 1. Let me zoom in a bit. We can say that this was the wave 1, the wave 2, the wave 3, the wave 4, and this was the wave 5. So this was the overall wave 1. Then huge and very impulsive. I cannot say, I better not say impulsive, but very fast correction for the wave 2. And if that's the case, let me show you the targets for the wave 2. So the target, the overall target, the good target for the wave 2 is somewhere between 50% and 78.6%. Okay, so now we are reacting to 61.8%, the golden ratio, and we hit that, and now we are going down. We may go up again to 78.6%, or we can easily switch to the bullish scenario that I just discussed in the beginning of this video. And the pivot point for me to consider the bullish scenario, now that we are hearing all the news and everything, is that if we cross $28,424, it depends on your exchange, but now I'm looking into Binance, okay? So if we, it can be like a few dollars more or less, but if we cross this high, which I think it is the wave B at 28,400 roughly, we can consider the bullish scenario that I discussed in the beginning with more confident, okay? If not, and if we don't see a huge impulse move to the upside from here, we can consider this scenario more, okay, with the current situation and everything. And if that's the case, and if we can say, okay, we hit the 61.8% and now we are going down for the wave 3, and because the wave 1 and 2 was so quick, I expect that the wave 3, 4, and 5 also be quick. So maybe in this week we can complete the wave Y. And if that's the case, let me show you the target for the wave. Okay, the first target for the wave 3 would be 1-to-1 ratio at 24,000, and then we expect to go high and a correction for the wave 4, and then another move for the wave 5. And the wave 5 would be at 1.618, a good target for the wave 5. We can calculate it in different ways, but it doesn't matter for now. We can get into details once we are sure that we are going down. Maybe in tomorrow's video I can show you the targets in details. But for now, again, the bullish scenario we discussed, the bearish scenario is likely to happen if we don't go higher than $28,400. And if that's the case, we can expect a huge impulsive move to the downside for the wave 3, which will complete the wave C and the bigger wave Y. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.